Changing the battery of Baha 6 Max, Baha 7 sound processors. Low battery is indicated by 4 beeps twice in a row and a series of rapid green flashes on the indicator light. Gently open the battery door using the tab. Remove the old battery and dispose accordingly. Peel away the sticker on the plus side of the battery and insert into the battery compartment with the plus side facing up. Allow time for the battery to air activate, at least 1 minute in order to maximize battery life. Then gently close the battery door. 5 beeps and a 4-second green light will indicate processor startup.